How many vertices does a triangle have?
Correct.
How many sides does a rectangle have?
Rockstar.
Alice draws a figure with 6 sides. What shape did she draw?
You rock.
Alice draws a figure with 5 vertices. What shape did she draw?
On a roll.
Emily draws a figure with 4 sides. What shape did she draw?
Congratulations, you've done it.
How many sides does a hexagon have?
On a roll.
Alice draws a figure with 4 vertices. What shape did she draw?
Good going.
How many sides does a pentagon have?
Congratulations, you've done it.
Identify the shape.
That's right.
Identify the shape.
Fabulous.
Identify the shape.
Congratulations, you've done it.
Identify the shape.
Awesome.
Identify the shape.
Fantastic.
Identify the shape.
Good going.
Identify the shape.
On a roll.
Identify the shape.
Congratulations, you've done it.
John draws a figure with 3 sides. What shape did he draw?
That's right.
How many sides does a hexagon have?
You rock.
Frank draws a figure with 4 sides. What shape did he draw?
On a roll.
How many sides does a square have?
You rock.
Selena draws a figure with 6 vertices. What shape did she draw?
Good going.
How many sides does a trapezoid have?
Rockstar.
Rick draws a figure with 5 sides. What shape did he draw?
Good going.
How many vertices does a hexagon have?
That's right.
Identify the shape.
Fantastic.
Identify the shape.
On a roll.
Identify the shape.
Rockstar.
Identify the shape.
That's right.
Identify the shape.
Awesome!
Identify the shape.
That's right!
Identify the shape.
Fabulous!
Identify the shape.
Congratulations! You've done it!
Which picture shows halves?
Good going!
Which picture shows halves?
You rock!
Which picture shows halves?
Correct!
Which picture shows halves?
Congratulations! You've done it!
Which picture shows thirds?
Congratulations! You've done it!
Which picture shows thirds?
Good going!
Which picture shows thirds?
Good going!
Which picture shows thirds?
Congratulations! You've done it!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Rockstar!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Awesome!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Fabulous!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Fabulous!
Is the shape divided into thirds?
No!
Is the shape divided into thirds?
Correct!
Is the shape divided into thirds?
Correct!
Is the shape divided into fourths?
Good going!
Is the shape divided into fourths?
Congratulations! You've done it!
Which picture shows halves?
Correct!
Which picture shows fourths?
Rockstar!
Which picture shows halves?
Awesome!
Which picture shows halves?
On a roll!
Which picture shows thirds?
On a roll!
Which picture shows thirds?
You rock!
Which picture shows thirds?
That's right!
Which picture shows thirds?
Congratulations! You've done it!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Good going!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Fantastic!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Correct!
How many thirds are there in a hole?
Rockstar!
Is the shape divided into thirds?
Good going!
Is the shape divided into thirds?
Rockstar.
Is the shape divided into fourths?
That's right.
Is the shape divided into fourths?
Congratulations! You've done it!